Types of intelligence. Humans possess cognitive abilities to learn, form concepts, understand, apply logic and reason, including the capability of recognizing patterns, comprehend ideas, solve problems, make decisions, retain information, and use language to communicate. According to the Harvard psychologist Howard Gardner's theories, humans do not just have an intellectual capacity, but also many kinds of intelligence. A person can be strong in a specific area, such as logical intelligence or musical intelligence, but simultaneously can also possess a range of abilities. There are multiple types of intelligence according to Howard Gardner. Visual spatial intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: love reading and writing, visualize things easily, good at putting puzzles together, love drawing and painting, recognize patterns easily. Verbal linguistic intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: good at using words, can remember written and spoken information, love reading and writing, good debaters, explain things well, use humor while telling stories. Logical mathematical intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: good at problem solving, love conducting scientific experiments, love thinking about abstract ideas, solve complex computations easily, good at reasoning and recognizing patterns. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: good at dancing and sports, love creating things with their hands, tend to remember by doing rather than hearing and seeing, excellent hand-eye and physical coordination, flexible in different body movements and performing actions. Musical intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: love singing and playing musical instruments, good at thinking in patterns, rhythms and sounds, recognize musical patterns and tones easily, good understanding of musical rhythm. Interpersonal intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: good at communicating ideas and thoughts, good at non-verbal communication, have a different perspective in everything, good at resolving conflict in groups, good at maintaining positive relationships with others. Existential intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: look at things from different point of view, make connections between what is being learned and the world outside, have a deep and comprehensive understanding not just of the universe but of the self. Intrapersonal intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: can recognize their strengths and weakness, aware of their own emotional state and feelings and know how they can motivate themselves, enjoy analyzing theories and ideas. Naturalistic intelligence. These people possess the following qualities: nature lover, love exploring the environment and learning about other species, enjoy camping, gardening, hiking and exploring outdoors.